soliciting for the purpose of prostitution, recruiting underage girls for the purpose of prostitution. Talk to me, Erica. What's going on here?
I had no choice. Alex made me do it. I did what he said, or I got beat up.
You think this is some kind of game? We need the money, bitch!
I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
I don't care what you want. It's what we need. Because if you don't, I'm gonna mess you up just the way your dad messed up your mom. You understand?
Then it happened. Just like that. They said we were going to a truck stop. By then, I knew what that meant. I was scared, but I didn't know what to do. I should have never texted him. That was the night I pulled my first trick.
Gosh, you're so easy to talk to.
So are you. It's like we've known each other for a long time.
I can be myself around you. No games.
I know. I feel the same way. No one understands me like you do.
Same here.
I'm not appreciated here.
I appreciate you. You know what? Screw them.
I know, right?
I want to give you the world.
I can't wait to meet you.
Okay, you know how this works. Keep your cell phones on, wait for my directions. Don't try to call anybody, because I'll know. Got that? What? Don't act nervous. Guys don't like that. Here. Take these. Focus. Let's go.
Hey, just take it. It'll chill you out. All right? Just make sure you look out for cops. Come on.
I love you. I want you to live with me.
I don't know.
Baby, don't you love me?
Of course I do, but I don't have a job and it's so expensive to live around here.
I'll go into my savings. I'll do whatever it takes. You're so worth it.
What the hell are you crying for? You know we're in debt? Do you know how much money you owe me, bitch? Where you gonna go, huh? All you got. You gotta step it up.
I thought you loved me!
I do, but you're a big girl now, okay? If you really love me, you're gonna do this for me. Okay, you know how this works. Don't act nervous. Guys don't like that.
Hey, just take it. It'll chill you out.